This is where I spend most of my days, in my little corner of Kışla village, surrounded by my books, warmth and endless ideas of the adventures we create at VOLKAN'S Adventures. 2025 is already shaping up to be exciting. New tours, cultural festivals, and focus on sustainable travel. But today, I'm taking a moment to slow down and appreciate life here in the village. Good evening, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful evening. It's January 2nd today. Yesterday was the first day of the new year, and today is the second. And this evening, it's just look at this. This is Kışla district of Gökbel, near Dalyan. Below down there is Kargıcak Beach. Canbaz abi! Canbaz abim! Sen neredesin ya? This is Canbaz. My life, my neighbor, my family. Canbaz abi, video yapıyorum ha. So yes, these evenings really do contribute into all the planning and curating, because it's impossible not to love this area of Turkey. Tourism, of course, a great industry where really you don't look like you're polluting, because you're not like a factory. In Turkey they call it chimneyless factory for the tourism industry. In a way it's correct, but it's also in a way we take so much from the community and the nature and the culture, so we must be careful about this. If we want to be able to come back, and if our children and next generations, if we want them to come back to this beautiful place and enjoy it as much as we are, we really have to be careful on our footstep.